All right, episode 2, day 3. We're out here at Rindethal's place. Got the boat here. Had to back that into place. We got some wiring stuff. We're gonna hook up trailer lights. This stupid ass kid tells me to get here at 9 o'clock. I get here at 9 o'clock. Where is he? He's nowhere. He's nowhere to be found because he had to leave at 9:30 to go with his dad to do wood. So I guess I'm free labor today. So we're gonna start working on the boat. See what sort of progress we can make at least. I mean, trailer lights should be quick. I'm definitely gonna hit this kid when he gets back. Find an egg, throw it at his head, something. So just to give you guys an idea, the reason that this all started is because I do all of Ryan's electrical stuff. Whatever he needs done electrical, I usually do. Now these wires, there was nothing wrong with them. He had 12 volts back to the tongue and then nothing past that. I'm assuming it's because of a bad ground between the tongue and the trailer itself. So with me being the electrical guy, I told him, yeah, just wait a minute. I'll come out there with a multimeter and then check it out, you know, in a couple days. This dumbass comes out here with snips and snips the wiring all the way back through the trailer. So like this whole couple hours that it's taken me to do this is completely wasted because someone gave this dumbass snips to be able to go through the trailer and just cut every single connection and then wait for me to get here and leave and have me rewire it. It's got all these little clips, these that hold the wiring on. So it's not too bad because this is just C channel. It's not actually closed in there. So getting it out isn't too bad, except, you know, for the areas where it's got to go in between other C channel down there. And he cut it here and, you know, he had to cut it here. It's also cut off of here, which has a light right there. It's also cut going to the back there. So I don't know who let this man have snips. They better never let that happen again. I'm in the process of pulling this wire through here. And Ryan, if you're watching this is 100% a two-person job. So way to go, bud. Right hand side of the boat is done. It's in the tongue, goes back there, comes through the frame here, pops out for that light, continues going back to the brake light. That side's good. Now we're just gonna pop over to the other side. Wire connectors are on. We just gotta hit them with a little bit of fee ray, some fire, shrink those connectors. The wiring should be done. Well, look who decided to come back.
I'm here.
Right when I'm done, huh? Right when I finish?
I don't know what to tell you.
So when your dad was working on the trailer, you just decided to come outside right when he was done. When I'm working on your trailer, you decide to get back right when I'm done.
I don't know what to tell you.
This jackass, bro. So you took it upon yourself to go grab the snips. Not wait for your electrician buddy. Just cut all the wiring out.
Yep. I totally butchered the C. I put a B.
Hold on, bro. No one's gonna be able to read that. Chevy Blaver.
Blaver.
Ryan, what in the hell is that word? There is not another L here.
That's not an L. A-L-I-T-T-E.
And you want it to be a little?
Oh, shit.
Bro, it looks like my 4-year-old wrote this. 4x4 doesn't work, needs a litty work. What the hell? God. Ryan, what did you do to this thing? Who unorganized it like this?
You?
No,
Yeah.
I wasn't the one touching it. Play the clip. Ryan, what did you do?
That was all you.
You stupid ass.
Yeah, okay.
Nothing. Big boy electrician Rindathal. Why you got 2 volts? What are you doing? Brother, put it in the brown one, this one.
Oh, my bad.
What the fuck's wrong with you?
Get out of here. Fucking A.
We got 12.8 volts there. I like the pigeon on your arm.
Pigeon. No.
See if my idea works or if we mess up the trailer. Well, it's not my trailer, so I'm not too worried.
Oh, yeah, thanks.
Hell yeah, and I gotta be honest, Ryan, I didn't think much further than this.
Okay.
We got it up. We got all the wiring done here. Checked on the lights. I assumed they wouldn't work because of a bad ground, which I told Ryan last time. So we hook a ground up right there, which took 2 seconds, and it fixed all of our problems. Not cutting out the goddamn wires.
You didn't answer, so I started cutting.
I told Ryan, the first time we go on this boat, I'm pulling the drain plug. I'm swimming away with it. Go hit your, oh yeah, there you go. Hit the right one. Oh, that's the 4-ways?
Yeah.
Shit. For this trim gauge, check this out. Firstly, to open a hole of the panel, make sure there is a space with 70 millimeters backyard of panel.
It's Chinese for you.
We got this set up now so that these lights are on, and then when you click one, that light comes on. So that one right there controls that light. There's also a light at the back. This one here is bilge pump. This one here is the aerator that we just put in. So that is power for the aerator, and then this, I don't know if you could hear that. That's the pump for the aerator. So that works. We got 3 of these switches that work. We got 1 left here. Everything's good there. Trailer wiring is done. Oh yeah, Ryan just put in the backlight. That one works. Wait. Hold on a second.
What did we do?
Got that figured out now. Now that light is switched. So Ryan just hooked it straight to a power, so that didn't work out too well. We got that all set now. We're working on the Rip'em gauge. We got all this, we got quite a few wires out of here, but what the hell? Still got to do the Rip'em gauge, speedometer. We're gonna work on starting it, so we got it hooked up to the hose here. Gonna put some water through it, try and start it, see if she runs. Did a little bit of work on the engine, not too much. We were trying to get the trim gauge here, working, and we can't figure that out right now, so we'll get that later. I don't know if it needs a new, module in there or whatever that's supposed to be. But yeah, we're gonna try to fire this thing up, see what it does. I like the squirrel on your arm.
See if it has spark.
No. It's got 4 cylinders, so if we just try another one and it works, if we get at least 3 out of the 4, she'll rip. That's how Hondas run. 3 out of the 4 cylinders. Good?
Yeah.
Nothing? Next task is we're putting an aluminum plate in here. Get rid of all those holes, then we can put through what we need on it. So we got that mounted up in the garage. Let's go cut it. Well, I'm dumb because I never hit record, but we got it done. This is going to mount up there with a couple of our switches of choice. Hopefully get rid of this rat's nest. Everything on this boat's a rat's nest. All right, that's all for today. We got this panel in there, looks pretty good, painted black. We're gonna put 2 power ports in there and a trim switch as well, and then that'll be all taken care of. We already have the wires behind it. That's the finished panel. So we're gonna put 2 powers in there and a trim switch as well. Those wires are already in there. We just haven't hooked up any switches at all. We gotta pull that back out and cut it. Maybe should have cut it before we painted it, but stupid here didn't get all the pieces that he needed. Right, Ryan?
Oh yeah, it's all my fault.
You're just a big fan of buying nothing that you need?
Yeah.
Yeah, get that wrapped up. We're getting the switch and fuse panel wrapped up back here.
I wonder who's the stupid that broke my new tool.
What'd you say, boy?
Stupid that broke my new tool.
Let me see your tool.
Broke it.
Fuck your tool.